The iPhone 12 is finally available and we now know everything about the new phone's price, specs, and 5G capabilities. However, if you're already an iPhone 11 user, you may not see much conviction to upgrade to the iPhone 12. In today's video, we will cover what we can expect to see from the iPhone 13, especially if you're looking to upgrade to the next model and not the current one. Hey, welcome back to another video here in Deadstock Release. So recently, John Prosser tweeted back in October 27 stating, "Hope you are ready for 1TB iPhones." This may be a logical approach from Apple since the iPhone is capable of recording 4K videos and downloading big files. Furthermore, rumors are suggesting that the standard base storage will get a handsome upgrade to 128GB instead of the standard 64GB. Additionally, we can see the iPhone 13 having a camera improvement such as having a 3x optical zoom and including an additional rear camera. Furthermore, rumors are surfing the internet that the next iPhone 13 will be portless given the new magsafe technology. And lastly, the 20Hz refresh rate that many rumors were suggesting for the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max, considering some phones such as the S20 and OnePlus 8 Pro already having this option. Tech analyst claims that Apple decided to stick to the 60Hz due to battery performance issues, especially since the 5G already drains much of the battery on its own, which concludes that we may see this option for the iPhone 13, and if not, a 90Hz refresh rate may be something Apple might consider. Well, that wraps up with today's video. Are you considering getting the iPhone 12 or the 13? Let me know your thoughts and comments below this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps a lot with this channel. And if you'd like to stay more updated with tech, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, take care.